Welcome back, you guys. I am at my sister's house. I haven't been here all week. Yeah, last time I was here was literally a week ago, last Sunday. And we're about to look and see exactly what's going on back here. I did move all the plants. And yeah, we're about to look at it together, you guys. Oh, look at this. Let me show you guys. So I moved them. They were right here. As you can see, all the spots, but I moved them over here because I felt like they were getting too much sun, and they're still getting too much sun. I literally don't know what to do, you guys. I literally do not know. Excuse me. I literally do not know what to do. Like, look at my peppers. Like, why is this happening? I'm assuming that it's because it's too hot. Do you guys see that? Like, I literally got one pepper and one tomato. And then at the bottom of my tomatoes, I keep getting, is it called tomato blossom rot or whatever? And I can't figure that out. And I'm like, okay, I'm not watering too much. Am I not watering enough? At this point, you guys, I don't know anything. All I can think is that it's just too hot where I am. And I know other people, they see, like, what the heck? Y'all, I'm so sad. But guess what? This is just a learning period. This is, I'm assuming, well, there's that. This is, I don't know if that's good or not. Like, they're all like that. Look at them. Or is something eating these ones with the holes in them? Like, what the heck? This makes me sad. Like, I have nothing. But I am going to try again. I'm going to do something in the fall. Okay, so this pepper is looking good. Okay, that makes me feel a little better. But it does feel like a little soft. It does feel a little soft. Let's see what this tomato looking like. Oh, yay, this tomato looks fine. It came off the vine pretty easily. Is that tomato okay? I'm going to put it in my purse. Hopefully I don't forget it. Let's go and look at these other red tomatoes and see what's going on with them. Yeah, okay, good. This one's fine. Okay, I don't know who's blowing me up, but good grief. Look at this one. Okay, yeah, that one looks really good. Okay, this is making me a little happier. I done put them all in my purse. This big one, let's see, I feel it. It has it. Yep. So what exactly is causing that? I honestly do not know. And even though it's like rotten now, can I save the seeds from those tomatoes for next year? Let me know. Like, I honestly don't know what the heck is causing it. Okay, this one feels fine. Yay, it feels fine. So I guess there is just always going to be, I'm going to lose some and I'm going to win some. Or not win some. I'm going to get some stuff and I'm going to lose some stuff. That's the only thing I can think of. So, yeah. And it like I said, it's right now, it's like 1, maybe 2 o'clock. And it's 100 degrees. And we tried to move them. You know what I'm actually about to do? I'm about to go ahead and open up this umbrella to cover them. This is the reason why I moved them over here. She's like, oh, move them over there, like where the pool used to be, so that you can cover them up with this extra umbrella that she got. So I'm about to do that right now. All right, hopefully that helps. I do have some that are not really shaded. What I'm about to do is I'm gonna have to water them while I'm here. I try not to water them while it's too hot, but I'm gonna have to because I'm not coming back again today. But you know, oh, you guys, I should have showed you guys my tomato plant that I left at home in one of my raised beds. Like, it's doing okay. It's not like all curled up like this. The leaves are like out and looking perfect. And it only got 2 tomatoes on it, but still. And it doesn't get a lot of sun. So, I don't know. Let me go put my rain boots on and move some of this stuff. I don't know how I didn't see this, but this is one of the ones I picked. That is obviously not good anymore. Let me look in my purse and make sure I got good ones. That one looks fine. I'm about to go get my sister some. This one, Oh, I thought I had like 5. I probably dropped one out of my purse, probably. Whatever. Anyways, yeah. So I guess I only have 3. That one is no good, I'm assuming. Well, this has been fun. I just realized that I forgot to show you guys what happened to my cucumbers. What happened to my cucumbers and also the one squash that grew. I mean, all the plants grew, but the squash really didn't grow. So I wanted to show you guys what happened. So they're way back here. So I don't think I'm a cucumber. Like they all like turned yellow. I literally got maybe 4 cucumbers, and then after I just gave up. There's the squash right there. It had like a hole in it, but that was just like one little hole, and I wasn't sure where that came from. So I was like, screw it, I'm gonna just toss them all back here. And yeah, so next year, this is her backyard, and you guys see that it's up, like raised. I am thinking maybe this will be better. What do you guys think? Like, we have to, of course, clear it out. We'll have to clear this out, and maybe it will be better to do plants up here. I mean, they'll get sun, but not a lot of sun. Like right here, it gets way too much sun. Like everything is looking sad. And nothing can really grow because it's so hot. Yeah, I thought that moving stuff over here was going to be a good idea. I mean, it was a good idea because I don't have to move them anymore. Like, I don't have to keep moving them back and forth. But, well, this guy's dying. No one ever said that gardening was going to be easy, Evita, so calm down. I'm just stressed. I'm just stressed. I don't know why I'm letting this gardening journey stress me out, you guys. But I am going to have a sit down with all of you guys. Like, well, not sitting down, but basically I'm going to be talking to you guys about what I've learned and my do's and don'ts for next year. I'm still trying to do a garden in the fall, so I'm about to start those seeds pretty soon. But I'm still trying to do one for the fall. And there's a lot of do's and don'ts that I know that I'm going to do for next year. Because again, I am prepping myself for when I get my own homestead and everything. So yeah, look, I'm going to just have to sit down with you guys. Just talk to you guys. I probably won't do a live. I'd rather just do a video. I don't know. If you would tune into my live, let me know in the comments down below if you would ever tune into a live. I don't have that many subscribers, so I feel like I'll just have like 3 people on my live. Or maybe I can do both. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, this gardening journey is stressing me out. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys why you guys keep seeing me with a bucket of water. For her hose, I can't explain it, but this is what happens. Even though this is on tight enough, this is on tight. And what happens is that her hose, I don't know what you call it, sweats, I guess, I don't know. But I hate wasting water. So what I do is just put a bucket up under here. And every time that I think it's near full, I'll just come back over here, turn off the faucet, and then take the bucket to water some of the plants. The reason why I did that is because when I first started using her water and like, of course, gardening over here, this whole area would just be like a big old puddle, and I was like, we're like wasting water. So yeah, that's what I do now. did want to mention, I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video or not. I think she has rabbit. Is that rabbit poop? I hate to show poop on camera, but I think she has rabbits. And are they eating some of my stuff? I haven't noticed anything missing other than cucumbers really didn't grow. But other than that, yeah, I didn't really notice anything. Anyways, yeah, I think that's rabbit poop. So how do I keep the rabbits out of my garden? That is all that I'm going to do for today's video, you guys. Like I said, it's 100 degrees. I'm about to go home, take a shower, and who knows what I'm gonna do. If you guys want to see what I be doing typically, head on over to my vlog channel. I'll leave it linked up above and also down below. It's called Evita and I. But thank you guys so very much for watching today. Thank you guys. I'm just going to thank you in advance for helping me down in the comments. It's been a little stressful, but I still want to say thank you to everybody. Anyways, I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye.